Hi everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to turn off sound effect on Block Blast. If you want to play Block Blast without the sound effect, then here is how you can do it. First of all, open up Block Blast application on your mobile device. Now, from the home page, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will pop you open your settings menu. Tap on the toggle button right next to sound and BGM. Make sure that both of the buttons are switched off. Right after you do that, you will then be able to turn off music from your Block Blast application. Now you can enjoy the game in peace. So that is how it's super easily done. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.